Hello, hello. I am here to do your reading comprehension activity with you. Just like the others, it's the same format. We're going to read the paragraph 3 times and color the stars for each time that we read it. And just like I've mentioned before, we want to focus on not just reading quickly, but reading accurately. So each time you read it, you should be getting better and better. All right, and once we finish reading the sentences 3 times, then we're going to answer some questions to make sure that you're understanding what you're reading. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and begin reading my first go around. I see a, well, what do you think this word is? It starts with an S. I see an S-E-A and then an ending letter of L. I also see a picture over here. Do you guys know what this is? This is a seal. Could this be the word seal? Well, let's see. E-O. That A kind of throws you off a little bit. But eel, I think this is seal. I see a seal. The seal is at the B-E. I know that this digraph makes the ch sound. Beach. The seal is at the beach. The seal is big and brown. Brown. The seal is big and brown. All right, I'm going to color one star in for our first time. Now, you guys saw when you read it the first time, you don't have to read it perfectly. But again, the hope is that each time you read it, you get better and better. All right, let's read it the second time. I see a seal. The seal is at the, what was this word? Beach. You can tell because you can see the water. It looks like he's on an island. The seal is big and brown. So you're noticing I'm getting better. Once you guys figure out those words and look at your picture clues and look at your letter clues, then it gets easier. All right, one more time. I see a seal. The seal is at the beach. The seal is big and brown. All right. If you want to read it more than 3 times, feel free. The more you read it, the better you will get. All right, so now we're going to do our comprehension questions. All right, so each one is going to be found somewhere in our paragraph. So number 1, I'm going to read you guys the question. What do you see? What do you see? Well, the first sentence says, I see what? I see a seal. So I'm going to write a seal. And I'm going to write it correctly because guess what? I can use my resources. I'm looking back up in the paragraph to see how to spell it. I'm also going to leave space between my words. Woo! That is a rough looking A. I'm going to try that again. See, teachers make mistakes too. What do you see? A seal. All right. Off to number 2. Number 2 has 2 things we need to write. It says the seal is blank and blank. Ooh, this one is tricky because you know what? This answer is not found in the second sentence. Okay? This answer is about what the seal looks like. The seal is, so let's reread. Well, we already said I see a seal. The seal is at the beach. So that's not telling us what it looks like. All right. The seal is, what's this word? Big and brown. There are the two describing words. So I'm going to write big, which is one of our sight words. Oops. B-I-G. And then brown. B-R-O-W-N. The seal is big and brown. All right, so now we're down to number 3. Number 3 is a multiple choice question. That means that it has 3 answers and you have to figure out the correct one. So we're not writing anything for this one. All right, it says the seal is at blank. So I'm going to read each answer and we're going to talk about which one it is. The seal is at the zoo. The seal is at the beach. The seal is at the park. Where is the seal? The seal, and this is in the second sentence, the seal is at the beach. So I'm going to underline the beach. Now, the beach was not next to the A, it was next to the B, so I'm going to circle the B. All right, so now let's reread the paragraph one last time. I see a seal. The seal is at the beach. The seal is big and brown. All right, so we have found each of our answers for our comprehension questions. An extension that you guys could do, you guys can look for any sight words that you know in this. And that would be a fun thing for you to circle or rainbow color. You guys can write them on the back. That would be excellent practice for you. All right, guys, good luck. Love you. Bye.